Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mushfiqur Rahman and you are watching God of Experiment. Guys, today we are going to make something incredible experiment. We are all familiar with Pubg mobile game and we know what is Molotov cocktail. So if you guys don't know what is Molotov cocktail, this is Molotov cocktail. So we are going to taste this Molotov cocktail in real life. So before we start our video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Warning for you guys, this experiment might be dangerous, so please don't try this at home.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Guys, so alright guys, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have fun in this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.